Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Donna, and today we are going to talk about preparing for a test.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hello, Donna.
Hello, Wilbert.
How are you today?
I am very well. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
You are welcome.
Today, we have a very useful topic.
Yes, many people take tests.
Students take tests.
Workers also take tests.
English learners take tests too.
That is true.
Donna, do you like tests?
Not really.
Why not?
Sometimes I feel nervous.
I understand.
How about you?
I also feel nervous sometimes.
That is normal.
Yes, many people feel the same.
The good news is we can prepare.
Yes, good preparation helps a lot.
Today, we will talk about that.
Let's begin.
Great.
Donna, when do you start studying?
I like to start early,
How early?
about 1 week before the test.
That sounds like a good plan.
Thank you.
Do you study every day?
Yes, but only for a short time.
That is smart.
I study for about 1 hour.
Then do you take a break?
Yes, a short break helps me.
Me too.
Long study without a break is hard.
I agree.
What do you study first?
I read my notes.
Good idea.
Then I read my book.
Do you write notes?
Yes, writing helps me remember.
I do the same.
Sometimes I use colorful pens.
That sounds fun.
It also helps me find important ideas.
Nice.
Do you study alone?
Sometimes.
Do you study with friends?
Yes, sometimes we study together.
Is that helpful?
Yes, if everyone studies.
That is true.
Sometimes friends talk too much.
Yes, that can happen.
Then we cannot finish our work.
I understand.
We need to stay focused.
Good advice.
Thank you.
Do you make a study plan?
Yes, I do.
What is your plan?
Monday is reading.
Nice.
Tuesday is vocabulary.
Good.
Wednesday is grammar.
Great.
Thursday is practice questions.
Excellent.
Friday is review.
That is a very good schedule.
Thank you.
Do you sleep well before a test?
Yes, sleep is important.
I agree.
I try to sleep early.
Me too.
I feel fresh in the morning.
That helps your brain.
Yes, it does.
What do you eat before a test?
I eat breakfast.
What kind of breakfast?
Eggs, bread, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
I also drink water.
Water is important.
Yes, we should drink enough water.
I agree.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Not too much?
No, just 1 cup.
That sounds good.
Let's talk about practice.
Sure.
Do you answer practice questions?
Yes, they help me learn.
Me too.
They show my mistakes.
Then you can improve.
Exactly.
That is very useful.
Yes,
Sometimes I make mistakes.
everyone makes mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
Mistakes help us learn.
I like that idea.
Me too.
Let's teach some English.
Great idea.
The word study means to learn.
We study every day.
Example, I study English every evening.
Another example, she studies for her math test.
Very good.
The word review means to study again.
Example, I review my notes before the test.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
We review new words every night.
Excellent.
Now let's learn another word.
The word is prepare.
Prepare means to get ready.
Example, I prepare for my English test.
Another example. We prepare together.
Very easy.
Very useful.
Let's talk about grammar.
Okay.
We say, I study.
We say she studies.
We add s or es for he and she.
That is an important grammar rule.
Yes,
Now let's learn a verb.
the verb is go.
Go is a regular or irregular verb.
It is irregular.
The past tense is went.
Example, yesterday I went to school.
Very nice.
Another verb is study.
Study is a regular verb.
Yesterday I studied English.
Great example.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Good idea.
Say study.
Study.
Very clear.
Now say prepare.
Prepare.
Excellent.
Say review.
Review.
Wonderful.
Keep practicing these words.
They are very useful.
Wilbert, what do you do if you feel nervous?
I take a deep breath.
Good idea.
I also think positive thoughts.
That helps.
I tell myself, I can do this.
I like that.
Confidence is important.
Yes, it is.
We should believe in ourselves.
I agree.
What about the night before the test?
I do not study too late.
Why?
I need enough rest.
Good choice.
I also prepare my bag.
That saves time.
Yes,
I check my pencils.
I check my notebook.
I check my ID if I need one.
That is smart.
Everything is ready.
Then I feel calm.
That is wonderful.
What about you?
I also set my alarm.
Very important.
I do not want to wake up late.
Me neither.
We should arrive early.
Yes,
We give enough time.
exactly.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And please share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Donna, do you listen to music while studying?
Sometimes I do.
Does it help?
Soft music helps me relax.
Nice.
But sometimes I like silence.
Me too.
Everyone is different.
That is true.
We should find what works best.
Good advice.
Thank you.
Do you use flashcards?
Yes,
Why?
they help me remember words.
I like flashcards too.
They are simple.
They are fun.
They are useful.
Let's ask our listeners a question.
Great.
How do you prepare for a test?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your ideas.
Yes, we would.
Donna, what is the most important study tip?
Start early.
I agree.
Study a little every day.
Do not wait until the last day.
That can be stressful.
Very stressful.
Small steps are better.
Good advice.
Thank you.
Today, we learned many new words.
We also practiced grammar.
We talked about study plans.
We talked about healthy habits.
We talked about confidence.
And we learned useful English sentences.
I hope everyone feels ready for the next test.
I hope so too.
Keep studying.
Keep practicing.
Never give up.
You can do it.
Believe in yourself.
Learn one step at a time.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We are happy you joined our conversation.
If this podcast helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Also, tell us what topic you want us to talk about next.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep learning English every day.
We will see you in our next episode.
Keep smiling and keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.